I'm going to make a front post popcorn stitch using the double crochet. So here's how we do it. Now I'm going to actually work it down low around this treble stitch here so you can see more clearly what I'm doing. Like normally you would go into the next layer, but just for demonstration I'm going to go down below. So the first thing you have to do for a front post popcorn, it's different from a normal popcorn because we're going to be working around the posts of the stitches instead of into the stitches. So normally you make your stitches there, but this time we're going to make them around the post. But as I said, I'm going to use the one below just so you can see more clearly. So first thing we have to do is 4 front post double crochet around the indicated stitch. So I might come over here and do it. So that's a front post stitch, 4 double crochet. See, there's one. Now I'm going to do 3 more. So pinch that work so you can get around the post much more easily and just work your 4 double crochet. So try not to overlap them so that they look a little bit neater like that. So there I have just made 4 front post double crochet around the post of this stitch below. So you have to check your pattern as to where yours has to go, but that's how it's done. Now to complete the popcorn, we take the hook out, we go under the loops of the first double crochet of the 4 of them, grab your working loop, pull it through, cinch it a little bit tight, and then make a closing chain to close the popcorn like that. And there is my little popcorn sitting as a front post wrapped around the post of this stitch below. Let's do one more. I'll just move across a little bit. Let's come over here. 4 double crochet around the post of this stitch here. So after I've done the first one, I just pinch, and then it's really easy to work around that post without snagging anything else. So I make my 4 double crochet for my popcorn, take my hook out, go under the first one, grab my working yarn again, pull it through, give it a little cinch and a closing chain, and there's the second one. That is a front post popcorn made using double crochet stitches. One more. Oops. 2, 3, 4. Always read your pattern as to how many stitches they want in the popcorn in that given pattern. Always check what the designer wants you to do, and there they are. There's 1, 2 and 3 wrapped around the post of these stitches down here. Whereas normally a popcorn goes directly into the stitch like this. 2, or a space maybe, doesn't matter. 3, 4, there's 4 of them. I'll just make this popcorn so you can see the difference. So that's what it looks like when it's on the top of the work, but this is what it looks like when it's wrapped around the post of a stitch. So from the back, all you can see are those 4 double crochet wrapped around the post. But when I did this one on top, it just sits on the top there. Okay, that's a front post popcorn stitch. Go and have a play. Bye.